Hi, Selma. Thank you so much for your time. You're Miss Namibia,
Yes, sir.
and tell me about where you're from, where you grew up. Tell me about Namibia, your life. What was it like? How do you end up becoming a model? How do you end up winning Miss Namibia?
Right. Thank you so much for having me. It's an honor for me to
Right.
be here. Namibia, I don't even know where to start. We affectionately call it the breadbasket of Africa. Namibia is a very diverse nation. We have about 14 ethnic groups and a lot of different languages that we speak in Namibia as well. We're characterized by we're one of the countries in the world where the desert meets the ocean. So you can literally stand on the dunes and see the ocean from the dunes, which is a very special and unique experience. I like to characterize the people by being so warm, so friendly, and that's why I love Telangana so much, because it reminds me of my home away from home, because the cultures are very similar in the event that, we're very hospitable and accommodating and helpful towards anybody that comes and wants to experience our culture. So can you tell that I love my country so much?
Of course.
And I miss the people there a lot. But that's Namibia for you. It's where I grew up and was raised. Um, I come from a family of four as well. My mom, my dad, my little brother, and I. I'm the oldest daughter. And I'd like to say that in my life, I've been privileged to experience a family that is super loving, super nurturing of my different goals, dreams, aspirations, and ambitions. I like to think that, I'm a woman that has only gotten the opportunities that I've gotten because of the household that I was privileged enough to be blessed with. I am very close to my parents. I'm very close to my younger brother. He always tells me, I kind of have taken on and appropriated the title of being his second mom. But I love him very much. We have a very close bond. But my family is my everything. That's what characterizes me, my faith and my family. So that's me in a nutshell. I got into modeling or pageantry rather, when I was about 21 years old. I must say, I didn't really have the passion or inclination or affinity for it. It was really my mom that asked me, don't you just want to try pageantry? And I was like, Mom, I'm not really a pageant girl. I was into sports, I was into academia. I couldn't really envision myself being there. And after 3 years of asking me, I finally gave in and said, you know what, Mom? Okay, I'll try it out. But I told her, when I don't get it, then we put the subject to rest. And she agreed. And to my surprise and to all our surprise, I ended up winning. So I'd like to think that, God has kind of set the stage and set this path for me. And I'm incredibly grateful that I've made it thus far. I mean, I'm at Miss World. I would have never thought in my wildest dreams that I would have been able to make it thus far. But it's really from my mom seeing a spark in me and encouraging me to nurture and really follow that spark. So in a nutshell, that's how I got here.
Amazing. So is your mom or any of your family here?
Not
No,
yet.
not
So
yet.
they will be flying in from the 29th.
Okay,
And then I'll be seeing them on the final evening.
that'd be great.
I'm really
Yeah.
excited about that, yes.
You seem like you're obviously missing your family.
Yes, I
So,
do. I do miss them. But, I speak to them regularly and they send me their love, their support, and their encouragement. So I feel like I have them here with me in spirit.
amazing. Like I was telling you, one thing I connect with you just before the interview. I was telling you your name.
Yes.
That's my mother's name as well.
Yes,
So
Selma.
that's amazing.
Yes, and I was telling you how in Namibia, when we have the same name, we call him Bushanje. That's the Oshivambu language.
Right.
That is my native roots, Oshivambu. I'm from the
Right.
tribe. Yes.
Amazing, amazing. So tell me about what do you like to do? Do you have what are your other passions,
Yes.
Selma?
I always say if I could be a singer, I would, but I cannot sing to save my life. So I really love music. I really love listening to music. I love dancing. I like to say that I have the heart and soul of an artist and a creative. So any medium or outlet that I get in order to express my creativity, I take that. I like to sketch. I like to do spray painting. I love practicing the keyboard. I love reading. I love writing. I actually started writing my own book. It's a sustainable agriculture book. It's going to be teaching children how to plant and grow their own vegetables for sustenance.
Beautiful.
So in a nutshell, those are a few of my hobbies, but I like to characterize everything by being a creative and finding different mediums of expression.
Amazing. So Tell me, if you're like I ask all the girls,
Yes.
if you had this one power
Yeah.
to do something and
Yes.
that would make you feel good, what would that be?
Oh my goodness.
That would give you peace.
Yes. Oh, that's such a loaded question. I think that I'm very passionate about education. And I'm passionate about this because I came from a household in which my father never had the opportunity to go to school.
Right.
And so, as you can imagine, he really wanted to put my brother and I in a position where we were afforded the opportunities that he was not. And so, me growing up, I've pursued education very seriously. I really love academia passionately, and I'm so grateful that he encouraged me to go into that arena. So I've managed to acquire a bachelor's degree in economics, a certificate in big data technology. I acquired a real estate license. I've done 1 year of law, and I intend to go back next year. And I'm currently on my 2nd year of theology school. And I say that all to say, I realize that the opportunities that I've been afforded, there are many women around the world that don't get the same opportunities. And for me, I am nothing without the people that have empowered and enabled me to stand in positions and to acquire different opportunities for self-actualization or for actualizing the highest version of myself. And at my core, that's what I intend to do for young women and young girls around the world. And I know that I'm just one person, and I know that, there's more power in a collective. But as a spokesperson, I would want to use my voice to mobilize movement and positive progression that enables people to actualize their dreams. And whether that be with providing educational opportunities or even just mentorship. Sometimes people need to be guided, almost like guided into seeing themselves.
Right.
I think that a lot of people don't recognize the light within themselves. And I speak passionately about this because I was one of those people as well.
Right.
And if I didn't have the love, the support, and encouragement of people around me to let me know that, you could actually do something remarkable with your life, I don't know if I'd be sitting here today. So I would like to characterize me wanting to leave a positive, indelible mark on this planet by just being a beacon of light and just encouraging people to actualize their highest versions and to do so unapologetically.
Right. Amazing, Selma. I can see the passion in you. I can see the leader inside you. I think you have a leader inside you.
Thank you so much.
I hope you're able to do all that you want to do.
Thank
you so much for this.
Thank you. It was an
And
honor.
all the best.
Thank you so
And you
much.
should wish your parents from us.
Oh, I
Whenever
definitely
you see
will.
them. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.